Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download CapCut Pro in iPhone iOS 17. Alright, let's begin. First of all, ensure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version available. You can do this by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Software Update. If there's an update available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Once your iPhone is up to date, open the App Store on your device. In the App Store, use the search bar to find the CapCut app. It's a video editing app developed by ByteDance. Download and install the CapCut app onto your iPhone. After the installation is complete, open the CapCut app. If you already have a CapCut account, sign in using your credentials. If not, you can create a new account by following the prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to CapCut Pro features and can start editing your videos with advanced tools and effects. So that's basically how you can download CapCut Pro in iPhone iOS 17. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.